Hey guys, it's Dr. Roberts here, your Madison and Goodlettsville Chiropractor, and I'm happy to upload a video again. I know it's been a while since my last video. I was hit with some sinus allergies, a sinus infection or some allergies last week that really had me down, so it was really hard to do any videos. My voice was pretty much shot, but I'm happy to be feeling better now. And I want to give you guys some updates on some stuff that's going on in the office as well as where we're at in our keto lifestyle. I'm happy to say that although it's kind of been a struggle, we are continuing on this journey. Everything seems to be going well. Be on the lookout for some new videos that I'm going to do this week, hopefully, where I show you guys exactly how to make the shakes that we're doing and the snacks that include some cookies and some fat bombs. The one thing that I will admit that has been a struggle is not necessarily craving the carbs or craving the sugary, sweet foods. It's really been a struggle with breakfast because after a while you really get tired of eating eggs, and we're trying to do some stuff where we're switching up how we're making the eggs or what we're doing for breakfast, but that's been the biggest struggle. So I hope to, once we get on a good routine of what we're doing for breakfast, share that with you as well. But I guarantee you, if you've started this journey with us, you've probably run into some of the same struggles where you get tired of eating similar things over and over and over. Or you probably are getting tired of the taste of coconut because coconut oil and coconut flavor is in a lot of the keto, where you get a lot of your fat. So anyways, we're still plugging along. As I said from the beginning, this has not been a weight loss journey, but I am happy to announce that within the 2 weeks that we've been doing this, I've been able to drop 10 pounds. Now, having said that, realize if you're on this journey and you're seeing similar results, those initial pounds that you're losing, it's not necessarily fat loss. It's mostly water loss. So anytime you switch over to a lifestyle like this with drastic changes in what you're doing, especially keto, the initial weight that's falling off you is definitely water weight. Although we want to celebrate those victories, just be aware of what is actually happening in your body. But regardless, I am going to celebrate that victory. And like I said, it's just kind of a bonus of this whole journey, of this whole process. Another thing that I want to mention is we have a new website that was just launched yesterday. So it's the same web address, NashvilleNeckandBack.com. But I want to shout out to Mike, Hope, Brianna, and James for helping me with that. Please go check that out, NashvilleNeckandBack.com. And let me know what you guys think. A lot of the content is similar. We're going to be adding some new content, but the whole look and the whole design of the website is brand new and fresh, and I'm really proud of it. So go check that out. And last but not least, guys, continue on this journey. If you have any questions, please leave comments below. Ask me in the office. And I wore my awesome shirt today that my wife got me. It's as you can see here, it's looks like Bigfoot riding Loch Ness, and it says, "Don't stop believing." And that's the message with this whole lifestyle, with this whole journey. Don't stop believing in yourself. Keep it up. You can do it, and don't give up. Guys, we'll see you next time. Be on the lookout for some videos this week. I'm going to really try to do some recipe videos. I know I've been saying that for a while, but I'm really going to kind of get to it this week. So we'll see you next time, and God bless.